I need to add one more piece of command here for Ospf authentication. That's gonna be the virtual link authentication. As you remember, we have a split area 0 or split backbone issue here that we can correct it using virtual link. So I wanted to create a virtual link right here, and using that virtual link I want to have authentication too. So I can decide which routers I want to have for virtual link creation. You can have router 1 and switch 2, router 1 and router 3, router 2 and router 3, and these are the possibilities that I have here. And I prefer to have it on router 1 and switch 2 because I have a fast link between these two. So I will use the router ID of these two to create the virtual link. So I will go to switch 2, go to configuration mode, and let's see running config first, section router Ospf, and see if there is any configuration for virtual link here. And virtual link is a router configuration command, and you can see that there is nothing here except the router ID. Okay, let's go to router Ospf 1, and here area, I will try area 16 as the passage for this virtual link because area 16 has the fastest link I have here. I will try area 16. In area 16 I have a virtual link, and this virtual link will connect to 110.1.1.1, that is router 1's router ID. And here I can have authentication. If you look at here, you can see that authentication is there. For simple authentication, you can have authentication key. If you want to have message digest authentication, you can have message digest key right here. And you can put all of them in one line, although the router OS will separate them into different lines, but I prefer to enter it in just one line. So I type it here, authentication, and I want to have the hardest type, that is a message digest. So I type message digest, and after that I can have message digest key. And for message digest key I want to have a key, for example key number 1, and it is gonna be MD5, and the key is Cisco in capital. So I hit enter. Okay, let's see the router configuration right now and see these commands. You can see that router OS has split it into two different commands. And on router 1 I will see this mismatch area ID log that tells me that there is a virtual link that this is not in my area. So I will correct it after a while. You can see that I have area 16 virtual link, authentication type is message digest, and of course area 16 virtual link, message digest key is Cisco. So I copy these two and go to Notepad and correct it before pasting it in router 1, and it's gonna be 6.6 here and 6.6 here. And I can see that area 16 is selected as the area to pass the virtual link, so I paste it on router 1. Configure terminal, router Ospf 1, and here's the commands. And after a while you should see that the virtual link is working just fine, and there is another neighborship created for me, and that's it. So let's save everything and switch to, I will save everything as well. And router 1, now I have a piece of verification command, show IP Ospf neighbor will tell me that there is a neighborship created on virtual link that is between router 1 and router 6, actually that's switch 2. And everything is okay right now.